My name is Brock Jones. Been in Culver City for about 3 years. Live here with my wife Lisa and our kids Hudson and Isla. We had 2 beds and 2 baths, and the 2 of us and a baby on the way, so we thought we had what we needed. And then fast forward about 1.5 years, and we found out we were expecting again. We needed more space, more bedrooms, and once we started working from home more often, we were working across the kitchen table with each other. So needed a dedicated office space and just overall more space for everyone. Given that the lot we're on is a little smaller, adding a second floor seemed to be the only real option. We met with a couple different contractors, and the reasons I think we went with Mike were proven track record of doing this very type of renovation, second floor addition. He was much more open to what we wanted to do and designing around our needs than kind of telling me what other contractors kind of told me what they thought would make sense and what they wanted to do. Since it was kind of over encompassing, we couldn't live here while the renovation was going on. Mike put a 20-foot storage unit out in our front yard to put the majority of our things, and we moved out mid-July. We moved back in late December. The original living room ended right around here, and there was a wall here, and then behind it a hallway, a bathroom, and a bedroom. So we blew out that wall, added the staircase here, and so the living room kind of opens up into kind of a second living room area. So this is into the master suite, and again, what's now the closet used to be a full bathroom. Now it's a walk-in closet. Kind of cool how it was architected around the stairs. So you can go all the way in, and then there's a turn with some built-in shelving, and Mike was really helpful in helping to design and help placement for the racks and the existing storage built-ins that we had already. So almost enough room for all my wife and my shoes. Originally this was the second bedroom, and now it kind of functions as a kids play area, and occasionally I can listen to my records in here. But then the half bathroom here was a much needed for guests and also for small children who can't always make it upstairs. So heading upstairs, probably again my favorite part of the renovation was the staircase and the railing, which I think really ties together the upstairs and the downstairs. Chandelier up here, and then a couple windows here, which really brings in a lot of light kind of at all hours of the day. And then up at the top, we have a full bathroom for the 2 bedrooms upstairs. We have a sitting area and what I'm using as an office space. Again, a couple windows here, and then a bedroom on each side with walk-in closets that we can go take a look at. All right, and then the second bedroom here, the baby's room. Blacked out for the baby, but 2 good-sized windows here. And a good-sized room for a baby or for even a real adult, and a small walk-in closet over here as well. And then the final bedroom, which I think my son gets the best bedroom in the house. 3 really big windows in here, a lot of natural light, kind of a cool shape that we were able to work around the staircase to put together. And then a bigger walk-in closet for a 3-year-old that I don't know what he knows to do with, but a lot of space in there to fill up one day. And a little chalkboard wall to keep the paint off of the white walls. It totally meets our needs. The quality of kind of combining the new with what was existing, it's seamless. When people come in, they ask which part's new, which part's not. They can't really tell what the addition was. A lot of houses, especially in this area, you can tell they just plop something on top from the outside, and on the inside, it feels like it's kind of 2 different eras. And with this house, I think it's almost impossible to tell. We've had a lot of people in the neighborhood just kind of randomly stop us and ask who did the work, just because of the speed, efficiency, the niceness of the crew. So yeah, I would definitely recommend MDM.